Hello, I'm Liesel van der Walt. I joined Babylonstoren in 2010 as head gardener and is part of the team that has created a special place, a garden like no other. It is a source of tremendous beauty, inspiration, seasonal harvest and learning. Over the last 3 years, my focus has shifted to organising workshops and garden events, sharing some of the experiences that this farm holds. Here we create space for our own experts and visiting specialists to share knowledge and skills on a range of topics like beekeeping, pruning fruit trees, picking and preserving olives, soap making, and distilling essential oils. But we all know, and gardeners are especially aware of this, that seasons change and that we all grow. I have decided to return to my gardening roots, and this creates a super opportunity for just the right person here at Babylonstoren. We are looking for a positive, energetic person with the experience of hosting workshops and garden events to step forward, just like I did many years ago. The person need not be a master gardener, but appreciation for nature and her bounty is essential. Enthusiasm for handcraft and the time-tested ways of growing and making things would also be helpful. More than anything, you need to be passionate about sharing the many experiences on the farm as well as the joy of a day at Babylonstoren.